In this video, I'll show you how to fix overspending habits step by step, break bad money spending patterns, and take control of your personal finances in 2026. If you struggle with spending money too fast, living paycheck to paycheck, or failing to stick to a budget, this guide will help you build smarter financial habits and long-term money discipline. First, identify your spending triggers. Track every expense for 30 days and categorize where your money actually goes. Most overspending happens on small, frequent purchases, not big ones. Next, create a simple rule-based budget. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Automate savings so the money moves before you can spend it. Then, implement the 24-hour rule for non-essential purchases. This reduces impulse spending and emotional buying decisions. Also, remove frictionless spending. Delete saved cards from shopping apps, unsubscribe from promotional emails, and turn off one-click purchases. Finally, set clear financial goals. Saving for something meaningful makes it easier to avoid unnecessary spending. Hashtag overspending, hashtag money habits, hashtag personal finance, hashtag budgeting tips, hashtag financial freedom, overspending habits, stop overspending, how to control spending, budgeting tips 2026, personal finance guide, stop wasting money, money management tips, fix bad spending habits, financial discipline, saving money tips.
If you've